Welcome. Today, discover how to send a one-time voice message on WhatsApp Web using your PC, a feature designed for privacy and control. With this new update, your voice message can only be listened to once by the recipient, making it perfect for sharing sensitive information or quick private notes. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, scan the QR code with your phone to sync your account. Once you're in, you'll see all your chats just like on your mobile device. Next, select the chat where you want to send your one-time voice message. This could be a conversation with a friend, family member, or a group. Now, look for the microphone icon at the bottom right of the chat window. Click on this icon to start recording your message. Speak clearly and say everything you want to include in your message. Here's the important step. Before sending, you'll notice a small icon with the number 1 inside a circle. Click on this icon. This activates the one-time listen feature, ensuring your voice message can only be played once by the recipient. You'll see the icon highlighted, confirming the feature is active. Once you've finished recording, simply click the send button. Your message is now on its way, and the recipient will only be able to listen to it a single time. After it's played, it disappears from the chat, giving you extra peace of mind when sharing personal or confidential information. That's it. You've just sent a one-time voice message on WhatsApp Web. This new feature is a great way to keep your conversations private and secure, especially when you want to make sure your message isn't replayed or shared. If you found this guide helpful, try out the feature yourself and experience the added privacy it brings to your WhatsApp conversations.